Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to change the country and region on your Google Play Store, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your Google Play Store on your mobile device or on your PC. Now make sure that you are logged into your same account where you want to change your country and residence. Now simply click on your profile in the top right corner. In the mobile screen you can also find it at the top right corner. Now once you have clicked on it, you can find the payment and subscriptions from here. So simply click on payments and subscriptions, and or you can simply go to the settings here. So when you are on settings, there will be the payment, or you can find the payment and subscription here, or you can go to the payment and subscription where you can find add credit card, debit card option here. Now from here you can add your current accounts from here, or you can find the more option from here. Then it will just lead you to the Google Payment official website, where you can find Google Payment and subscription page, where you will be able to add the payment method, and you will be able to change your country and residence from here. Like here the payment method, so you can simply click on manage payment methods from here. So once you have clicked on it, you can add a payment method. Simply click on it. Once you have added it with the billing address, with the country, then you can find the billing address from here, all of this, and also our option of your country. Then you can find a pencil icon. Simply click on the pencil icon to edit that country, where you will be able to change the country. But for that, make sure that you have to change the whole payment method according to your current country or resident that you want to change. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.